All right, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you often get up early in the morning?
Yes, I always get up early in the morning because I want to pray my prayers.
I
So
want to offer my
I
prayers.
want to offer my prayers, so I always get up early in the morning. And the other reason I want to feel the fresh air, and I would like to exercise in the morning. So to answer your question, I always get up early in the morning.
Yeah, get up early in the morning, wake up early in the morning. I rise and shine early, right?
Okay.
Rise and shine, wake up, get up, or I leave the bed early. So this is what examiner is looking for,
Okay.
right? Now let's go on. What do you usually do when you get up early?
When I get up early, I go to I first of all I fresh myself by taking shower, and then I go to mosque to offer my prayer, and then I look at time. If I had some time,
If I have some
if I
time,
have some time,
or if I still have some time.
if I still have some time, I exercise to I take exercise to be energetic myself, and then
Yeah,
I
to re-energize myself. So
yes
such type of activities
I
I perform when I wake up early in the
early in the
morning.
morning.
And
Yes,
you signposting, first of all, I shower in the morning, and
yes,
right after that I go to the mosque to offer my prayer.
yes.
Once I get free from there and I still have time, I prefer to. Connectivity of ideas will also bring you good bench score.
Okay.
Okay, do you get up early on weekends?
Well, I always get up as I told you before. I always get up early in the morning, so it does not mean
It doesn't matter
it
whether
doesn't
it is a
matter when.
weekday or
Yes,
weekend.
it doesn't matter at weekend because I always get up early in the morning, so it doesn't matter.
See, you're repeating the same things. You need to come up with ideas. Listen,
Okay,
I give your answer, but in a different way.
okay,
Do you get up early on weekends? Yes, I do. As I mentioned before, every day I wake up early in the morning. So that is 7 days a week. Especially on weekends, even I try to get up earlier because I have joined a football club and they have early morning football matches. So whenever there is weekend, I try to wake up a couple of hours before so that I could enjoy playing my favorite game.
okay.
Something like that, okay? See that I
Yeah.
don't join football. Yeah, I can be
Yes.
a goalkeeper, but I don't like football. Okay, so you need to exaggerate your answer, go on, elaborate your point, and in every answer, there should be 4 5 different sentences. And if you keep on repeating the same ideas, your language is going to be extremely limited.
Okay, sir.
Okay, all right, thank you.